everybody. I just brought this out here for a couple minutes because I just want to see if this thing will actually pick up this Insta360 camera. So I just want to check it out, man. Okay. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I just want to see if this is going to actually work. Let's record some video here in a minute after, of course, I start the camera. Got to start this camera first. The video on that. Okay, so that started that. Let me start the video on the JME. So that's running. So let's take off.
Taking off.
Oh, it didn't do its normal, whenever it gets up in the air, it usually does this little 360 thing. Boy, it's struggling. It's struggling, guys, to hold that up, trust me. The GPS isn't working at all, so that means that's probably where the GPS module is underneath that camera. Because it says 0 satellites on the screen. You'll see it up there in the top left corner. It says visual, so you know the GPS ain't working. So I don't know how much of a good idea this is, to be honest with you. I know the Autel Evo didn't like it either, so. And I had that sitting back on the battery. I didn't even have that sitting on this. There's absolutely 0 satellites, so. Let's see if we can just zip it around a little bit and see what happens. I don't know if it's going to affect the range or not. The signal's still pretty decent. I can't mount this thing anywhere else but that spot that I have this. But it actually is working. I mean, it's not like it's not working. It's actually working. But it's straining. You can hear those motors straining pretty good. It's still no satellites. Uh-oh, it's going crazy. I better land it before I don't have nothing. Okay, boy, I wish I had my hat cam on, because then you would have seen how crazy that was acting when I took it up high in the air. So, yeah, for this thing, this ain't a good idea, okay, guys? All right, so we're going to put an end to this calamity. Yeah, because I have it in here on the actual top of the quadcopter. There's nowhere else to mount the damn thing. Ugh. All right, boys, I'm going to wrap it up. That's the end of this thing. So, cutting the video. I'll put the video in there.
Landing.
It was actually able to land without much trouble, but man, you could hear that motor screaming. Even though this thing is always loud, so. All right, boys, I wanted to come out here and try that because it's pretty cold, and in order to ensure flight safety, please calibrate the comfort. Well, I'm not doing that right now, so forget that noise. So, all right, well, at least it worked. Not good though. I wouldn't recommend the JME is ready for this thing again. So, all right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Let me start the video on the JME. So that's running. So let's take off. even though this thing is always loud. So, all right, boys, I wanted to come out here and try that because it is pretty cold, and in order to ensure flight safety, please calibrate the comfort. Well, I'm not doing that right now, so forget that noise. So, all right, well, at least it worked. Not good though. I wouldn't recommend the JME is ready for this thing again. So, all right, guys, I'll talk to you later.